Hello, it's Byron, and thank you for joining me for another whole body weight workout video. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a chest exercise, chest workout, and I'm going to use the chairs here to do a kind of a below plane push-up. And then I'm going to use the table here to do just a regular upward angle push-up. Lower angle, like kind of a mid-range angle, but I'm going to use the wider than shoulder hand position. This way, there are three ways that you can do the hand position. You can do it wider than shoulder, you can do it shoulder width, or you can do it kind of close in. This time I'm going to do a little bit wider than shoulder width. I'm going to try to extend my body out as far as possible as I'm doing that. Let's see. So just put my feet out as far as possible, and then kick one foot over the other. And I'm actually sticking my hands into the table instead of having them on the edge of the table, just to add a little bit more. Just to add a longer angle to the exercise, okay? And I'm going to jump back and forth as I do these exercises. Instead of finishing this complete exercise and then going to that one, I'm going to jump back and forth just to add some variation to the workout, okay? So again, wider than shoulder. Just let yourself come down. Make sure you're always in control of the exercise. Don't jerk up and down. Breathe normally. Okay, you'll notice the exercise will get quite a bit more difficult as you continue to do more and more of them. But just keep going and try to motivate yourself to keep going even if the exercises get difficult. All right, so I did this first set, and you notice this is kind of a lower angle. I've done videos where there's kind of a higher angle. The upward angle chest exercise push-ups are some of the best home workouts you can do, home body weight workout. So definitely incorporate these into your overall scheme if you're doing the home workouts, okay? All right, so I'm going to do one more here, and I'm going to jump to the other one. Okay, so again, I'm going to do these some kind of simultaneously. So I'm just going to jump back and forth between the exercises. Again, downward push up using the chairs. And it's always good to go from a higher angle to a lower angle because it really feels like there's more pressure put on your muscles when you go from a higher angle to a lower angle. The lower angle feels like there's not so much pressure on your chest muscles. But when you jump to the lower angle, you really feel it. So that's an excellent way to just maximize your workout. All right. Okay. You just kind of come all the way down. Try to come all the way down, a little bit below the plane of the exercise, the starting point of the exercise, because it just adds an extra level of challenge and variation to the exercise. Okay, So I'm doing 2 of each, and then I'm just jumping back and forth. Okay, and just jumping back and forth is just another way to add some variation to the workout, and makes it forces your muscles to adjust and adapt to different challenges in the exercise. All right, so. Okay, so 2 there and then 2 here. And always remember to focus on the negative resistance. Unlike the guru say, focus on the negative. But when you're doing workouts, just focus on the negative resistance. Okay. Alright, here we go again. Okay. Yeah, and it actually gets quite challenging quite fast. When you're doing the upper angle workout exercises here, it does actually get difficult quite fast because the upward angles really exhaust your muscles quickly. So, okay. And once you get a few exercises in, just be sure to flex if you want. Flexing just adds a little bit of extra variation to just pumps your muscles up a little bit more, adds a little bit of definition to your muscles. Good way to just get an nice little extra pump in there. And rips your muscles a little bit as well. About 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Okay. Alright, let's get right back into the table here. Okay. So again, 2 and 2. You can also do 1 and 1. Again, I can do 1 exercise here and then 1 exercise there, and then just jump back and forth between the different exercises. But the other way to do it is I can just finish this exercise and then jump to this exercise. So mixing two different chest exercises in one. You can even do 3. I mean, you can jump back and forth between different exercises, or just to add variation. Just make sure you're not doing the same thing all the time. Do maybe 3 weeks on, 3 or 4 weeks on, do the same exercises, and then jump to something else. So vary it in some way. Keep your variation going. And to avoid is muscle memory. Yes. Okay, and as your muscles start to get fatigued, the cord fell on the ground. Extension. Okay, so the thing as your muscles get fatigued, just keep working on the negative resistance. Okay, keep focusing on the negative resistance. Okay. All right, and just make sure you keep focusing on the negative. Focus on the negative resistance. Put my muscles up a little bit more. starting to reach some pretty solid points of failure. So that is a good thing. That is definitely a good thing. Because it means I'm really working my muscles out well. So, all right, take a breather if you need to. It's not too long. Okay. Wow, I'm starting to reach some pretty solid points of failure now, which is good. I think reaching those terminal points of failure is definitely a positive thing. It means you're working out well. All right. We're getting a good workout. Good points of failure. Okay. That's a pretty solid one there. Go back to this, see where we stand with this one. Alright, so again, reaching some pretty solid points of failure there. Terminal failure. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to really focus on the negative resistance and do stop and hold or isometric exercises. So I'll start with this one. Come up and then just kind of hold as long as you can. Okay, good enough. Go back to this one. And then hold. Just hold as long as you can. That's really all there is to it. And that is a pretty solid workout. So, as you work yourself out and keep yourself motivated to do these exercises, they do get more effective and I think they're easier in a certain way. So let me come over here and talk to the camera a little bit. Just remember, as you're doing these exercises, that is a very simple workout that can be done in 12 minutes. I'm at like 12 under 13 minutes here now, and it really gives you a solid workout. Just remember your negative resistance and your points of failure. And everyone keep motivated to work out at home. This has been a great workout again, and hope you can do it, man. I hope you just really stay motivated to work out at home. This is Byron signing off, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.